Well, I always use myself because as me being a 4'11", it's always harder for me to find clothing that doesn't drown me, right? So proportions like this dress, it's better for me to have like a 3/4 length sleeve or something that doesn't come all the way down to my wrist, because the more skin you see for on a person, the taller they appear. V-necks are better because they open up this space. Any for my hems on skirts, they need to be at the knee or above. Pants shouldn't be dragging on the ground, those types of things. So those are your proportions with your tailoring. For prints, for me, the scale should always be small, not big prints, because then again, all you're seeing is the print and not me as a person. Vertical stripes are going to be better for me than horizontal to make me look wide, not tall. But vertical ones are going to make me look taller. And that's for anybody, right? So, and then monochromatic. If you wear all one color, like all red, all beige, something like that, usually in the same family of the color, and then that will tend to make you look a little taller too. So those are some little tips and tricks to make you look a little bit taller.